This will happen when you do a robbery attempt on the wrong person.
Friday and Monday. Not backwards, but
Check this guy out. Yawn. I'm just gonna yawn and act like, you know, I'm live here. Yeah, so this guy walks up to the house, acting like he lives there. He does this yawn to kind of look natural, but he knows he's full of it as he looks right in the camera with a smirk. Yeah, we got you. You're caught. You're caught. We got your whole face on camera. Yeah, get used to that pose with your hands up. That's how you're gonna be looking when the cops come and get you. So here he is. He walks up to this house, and he tries to open the door, but it doesn't open up. This is on Christmas Day also, when everybody's at home. So this guy's clearly out of his mind. So now he pulls some keys out of his pocket, and he tries to start opening up the door.
Nope, that really hurt. I knew it was icy. Ow.
Bellevue, Washington, be careful, because these armed men are willing to shoot you over a catalytic converter. These catalytic converters are becoming harder and harder to find, and they could cost up to $2,000 to repair. Thieves love the precious metal that are contained within these catalytic converters because they're easy to sell. A thief could gain as much as $600 to $800 per catalytic converter, so it makes for stealing these very profitable for scumbags. These thieves have nothing to lose. They're willing to shoot you over a muffler component. Priuses are becoming popular with thieves, and they're the most sought after catalytic converters. You can Google which make and model vehicles have the most precious metals within their catalytic converters. If you watch the clock, it only takes a minute for thieves to steal your catalytic converter. They pop up in the wee hours of the night when you're in deep sleep, and they're in and out in less than a minute. That's why this is such a lucrative and low-risk crime for criminals.
Hả?
Yeah, yeah.
Không cần.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, that's not me.
Oh, what? Okay, dog. Yeah, dog.
Brooklyn, New York. A woman is followed inside of her apartment building by a man who claims to be an Uber Eats delivery worker.
Okay. It's agony going on.
Hello, y'all. What's the door, please? Hi. I'm here.
Is that what?
You can come and pick it up.
Huh? It is, because that's a whole nother shit that I, like, now, like, come on. These Sundays ain't paying bills. These Sundays is good, but they ain't paying bills.
Thank you.
The report says the man pretending to be an Uber Eats delivery entered the building with tenant and unlawfully entered the female tenant's apartment. The tenant fought off the subject and he fled out of the building. Luckily, no one was hurt during this incident. This is really creepy stuff. Women and men must be careful when walking into their homes to make sure no one is following closely behind them.
What the fuck are you doing in my house, motherfucker? Huh? What the fuck do you think you're gonna do in my goddamn house? Leave my motherfucking yard now. Leave my motherfucking yard now before you get fucked up. You understand me? I said fucking go. Don't fucking come back to my goddamn house.
Steven here.
You got the wrong house.
I knew this was a ripoff.
Okay, what are you looking for, Steven?
No, I am Steven. I'm looking for Fifi.
Yeah, you got the wrong house.
So, you don't want to have sex tonight?
Sir, my husband's in the living room with the gun.
Huh. Okay.
Have a good night.
Understood.
This guy acts like no one can see him.
You can leave it, thank you. You can leave it.
No, I could speak to you, actually.
I'm sorry?
I need to speak to you. I don't think you realize where they're coming from, so I need to speak to you.
Where what's coming from?
Where the food you ordered is coming from. I don't think you realize the distance that it's come from, because then you would never actually have given what you gave. So I think you can come and see face to face. Because I drove 40 minutes, and it was extremely far, and I got it to you early. So I don't think you realize where you ordered from.
I don't understand. You
Well,
did 4
I think
minutes from where?
from the restaurant that you ordered from. Do you realize how far it is? Do you realize you ordered from Colmac and you're in Smithtown?
That's a 15, 20-minute drive.
It's not. You need to try to drive it. I just drove it. It's 40 minutes. It's 12 and a half miles. So I don't think you realize how far it is.
So
But I
why did
think
you accept the pickup if you think it's that far?
they don't let us know how far. So I think you need to adjust your tip to make it right.
How much is the tip?
You gave an $8 tip.
What the hell are you looking for? I gave an $8.
Okay, I'm gonna bring the food back. I'm gonna bring the food back. Okay.
Okay. Is she fucking kidding?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bless.